Server-sent events, or SSEs, or event source in JavaScript, are an extension to HTTP that allow a client to keep a connection open to a server, thereby allowing the server to send events to the client as it chooses. By default, the server sends updates with the data payload. You can also have an event type, which by default is message, but could be things like add or remove. Additionally, it has an ID parameter that allows the client to continue where it left off if the connection was lost. We're going to build a lightweight version of the popular friend feed website, one of the pioneers in the social media space, using Quart and SSE. For our friend feed clone, we'll have the event type to be either post, which is a new post, like if someone liked the post, and comment if it's a comment to a post. For a more complex version or exercise to students, we could also have groups, which could be distinct SSE endpoints, and like events for comments.